morning. It is Wednesday. Crazy to think like less than a week it's Christmas. And it's like that. It still shocks us to be here in December. It doesn't feel like December. Leo didn't work yesterday. He went up to Liberia Airport to pick up his friend. So Willmar worked yesterday. He got a lot of the electrical done. He got all the pot lights in and most of the electrical switches and outlets in. And now they're starting on the floor tile. We also just had our latest guests check out, Quentin and Claire. It was awesome to meet you guys, and yeah, glad you stayed with us. Their sign's up, so they're heading back to the UK and then they're heading back to Africa. So they put Zimbabwe, 13,130 kilometers straight if you were to fly from here. See if anybody can beat that distance. That's quite a ways. Leo was in shock. He's like, whoa, Africa? So that's kind of cool. Great meeting all these new people. That's just the perks of having container rentals. You get to meet people from all over the world. So hopefully we'll get to see them in the future, and they really love Sámara, as most people do. Good morning, it is Thursday. We've got some wood showing up here from the mill that I filmed before. So it's probably the last load of wood we'll get from them. It's just for baseboards and our bathroom door on Casa Tropical. So yeah, he's gonna unload that. And then Leo and Willmar, they are continuing on the floor. Willmar's cutting over in the ditch again, and then Leo's in here laying it. Pick it up. Got quite a bit done already. The whole bedroom and the hall is pretty much done. Now he's in the bathroom getting that done. Much faster. Now that he's done it a few times. So they're going to continue working on that. Going to get the wood unloaded, and we're going to go to Playa Carrillo. We're going to go there, have a little picnic. Going to take Bruno, Rochelle, and meet Tony and Dennis there as well. Because the picnic tables are up close to the road, it's a good place to just hang out and have a picnic. So I'm going to do some filming there, and I'll show you guys that now.
Up on your forehead a bit more, Henry. Yep, there, rub. You've got it up.
Good afternoon, it's Friday. Spent 2 hours at Issei. Our bills had extra charges on it. It's like some weird scam that goes on where it's like a marketing text messages that are like 30 cents each, and we had like 1 million of them. So I had to stay there for a while, wait in line. There was like 3 people getting phones. So wait for that, and then when I got there, we had to do a bunch of paperwork to get rid of those charges. Leo is wrapping up the floor. Most of it's done now, and Willmar is planing the boards for our baseboards and then for our door as well. So I'm going to show you that. Scary and windy. I just wanted to show you guys the lights we have set up at the gate. We have these LED lights that Leo put on the posts, and then they shine down right to where the key is, or the lock, so you can get the key in so you can see it. So it's like really windy out tonight, but it's super warm. It's crazy. Moon's super bright too. I don't know if I can find it up here somewhere. There it is. I think it's almost a full moon. Yeah, so that's it for today. But for now, good night.